Hey champs, welcome to Think Sharp Alley, where sharp minds solve smart problems. We are on a mission to crack 100 powerful integration questions, one step at a time. So let's dive into this one. Integration number 4. So today we are integrating this expression, which might look scary but not if you've got a couple of tricks up your sleeve. So first, we'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin x. And then a bit of algebra. The numerator becomes 1 plus sin x whole square, whereas in the denominator we have 1 minus sin square x because we have applied the identity a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Now in the numerator we again apply the identity that is shown on the screen, and the denominator becomes cos square x. By the square law we have 1 minus sin square x equal to cos square x. Then we just separate the denominator as shown in the screen, and then we use reciprocal ratios and other relations to write the statement. Please note 2 sin x by cos square x can be written as 2 tan x sec x because I am splitting cos square x into cos x into cos x. So 2 sin x by cos x is tan x and 1 more cos x becomes sec x. Then we cannot integrate tan square x directly, so we have written it as sec square x minus 1. After which, little simplification, then we will integrate it term by term to get our desired result. Do not forget the integrating constant. Now let's have a look at the second method, which is the shorter and smarter way. So if you don't like long roads, here's the shortcut. Notice sin x can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. And so we convert everything in terms of cos and then use submultiple angle identities that you can see on screen. After applying it, notice that the angle has been divided by 2. So we have got pi by 4 minus x by 2. So we get cot square. Now cot square integrating directly is not possible. So we use another square law over here to change it into cosec square. So we are getting cosec square minus 1. The integration of cosec square is minus cot theta. Integration of cosec square theta is minus cot theta. But here we also have to divide it by the coefficient of x. So minus cot divide minus half, it makes it plus 2 cot. Minus integration of 1 is x plus the integrating constant. So which method would you choose during an exam? Long but safe or short and slick? Drop your pick in the comments below, and if this helped you, like and share to save someone from integration panic.